students, and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. I'm Aunty Lani, and today we will be making a banana fruit pop. Okay everyone, so before we make our banana fruit pop, let's go over our ingredients and our materials that we will be using today. So first, we'll need some strawberry yogurt. You can go ahead and use vanilla yogurt or blueberry yogurt, any yogurt flavor of your choice. Today Aunty Lani is using strawberry. Some bananas. Aunty Lani has Fruity Dynamite Bite cereals, but you can use any cereal you want. You can use Fruity Pebbles, Chocolate Fruity Pebbles, Apple Jacks, anything that you have in your cabinet. But today Aunty Lani is using Fruity Dino Bites. Okay, we have one plate here, one pair of gloves, a cutting board. We also have one butter knife, one spoon. We have 2 popsicle sticks, a small mixing bowl, and a large mixing bowl. Let's get started. Okay everyone, so before we get started, make sure you go ahead and get your hands properly washed. Aunty Lani had done so off camera, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place my clean gloves on my clean hands. Put your gloves on. So first, I'm going to take one banana, just like that. You're gonna peel your skin off your banana. So a little tip, if you're having a hard time peeling your skin off your banana, like you can see here, go ahead and take your butter knife, just chop the top off just like that, and now you can start peeling your banana layers back just like that. Okay, so now you have your banana on your cutting board. You're just gonna take your banana and cut it right in half, like so, just like that. Okay, then you're gonna take your 2 popsicle sticks here, and you're going to slide them into the bottom of your banana, just like that. Okay, you have your banana popsicle sticks, or like fruit sticks. Okay everyone, so now that we have our bananas placed onto our popsicle stick, let's go ahead and move on to our next step, which will be our yogurt, our strawberry yogurt. So I'm going to open my container. You could just dip your banana in, but you don't want to contaminate your whole container. So what Aunty Lani is going to suggest is take a small bowl, pour about maybe, I would say, a 1/4 cup just into the bowl, just like that. Then you're going to take your banana, place it in. You can also take your spoon and go ahead and get all your yogurt on top, just like that. Okay. Also, yogurt is full of probiotics, really good for your digestive system. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that like that, and then we'll move on to the next step. Let that soak. Okay, next step, we're gonna take our large bowl and our cereal. We're gonna go and pour about 1 cup of cereal, like that. Okay. And now the fun part, you're gonna take your banana that's covered with yogurt. I'm just adding a little more yogurt, just like that. Make sure it's all over my banana, and you're just gonna come to your bowl. You can like crunch it, you can break it down more if you want, the cereal, or you could have left it whole, it's up to you. And you can just take your cereal in your hand and drizzle that right onto your banana, just like that. Okay? Ooh, it smells good, the cereal. Okay, so here's one. I'm gonna place it on my plate right here. Ooh, this is the fun part. Okay? Don't be shy. If you want more cereal, just keep sprinkling that on. and the yogurt it'll stick to the yogurt. Like that, okay? Now I have my 2 popsicle sticks. Okay everyone, so I have my fruit sticks here. I just have a tip for you. So if you want, you could take these fruit sticks and place them in the freezer, I would say for at least an hour. And then you'll have a nice frozen treat. But right now, Aunty Lani's gonna do a taste test. But if you want, that's the tip. Throw it in the freezer and you have something nice and cold to eat later, okay? So taste test. Ooh, look how pretty it is. Okay, ready? I'm going for it. Mmm. Okay, that's definitely yummy. Oh, it tastes really good with the cereal. It adds like an extra sweetness, and right when you bite into the banana, you can taste the yogurt. It's really good. I would say throw it in the freezer for an hour. This is way better than ice cream. And it's good for you because it's made with bananas and yogurt. I'm gonna take one more bite. Let me try. Really, really good. I hope you enjoyed making this fruit stick with Aunty Lani today. Remember, if you have a sibling or a cousin, go ahead and make this with them. I promise you, they're gonna enjoy it. So until our next episode, please take care. Aloha.